12 Best Places to Visit in Jordan. Welcome to our video on the 12 best places to visit in Jordan. Jordan is a captivating country in the Middle East, known for its ancient ruins, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality. Let's start our journey in the very north of Jordan, at the impressive ruins of Qais. This archaeological site, founded by Alexander the Great's troops, offers outstanding views over the surrounding area and features a well-preserved theater made of black basalt. Next, we have Wadi Mujib, also known as Jordan's Grand Canyon. This gigantic gorge stretches from the desert highway to the Dead Sea, offering breathtaking landscapes and thrilling outdoor activities like rappelling and wildlife watching. Moving south, we arrive at Madaba, famous for its ancient mosaics. The highlight here is the 6th century Madaba map in the Basilica of St. George, which depicts Jerusalem and the Holy Land in great detail. Don't miss the archaeological park and the ruins of Omar Rasas. For nature lovers, the Dana Nature Reserve is a must-visit. This vast wilderness offers stunning landscapes, including sandstone cliffs, gorges, and rock formations. Hiking through its plateaus and valleys, you might spot Nubian ibex and Syrian siren. If you're looking for water activities, head to Aqaba. This coastal city on the Red Sea is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and scuba diving. You can also explore historic sites like Aqaba Fort and the ancient Aqaba Church. For castle enthusiasts, Al-Karak is a must-see. This city is home to the Citadel of Karak, a Crusader stronghold with restored sections that offer a glimpse into its fascinating history. Don't miss the Karak Archaeological Museum. Jordan's capital, Amman, is a vibrant city with a rich history. Explore the ancient ruins of the Citadel and the Roman Theater, and then head to Rainbow Street for trendy restaurants and shops. Amman is a great base for exploring the rest of the country. Scattered across northeastern Jordan are the desert castles, fascinating forts and palaces from the Umayyad era. These isolated structures showcase beautiful mosaics, frescoes, and reliefs. Qasr Amra, Qasr Halabat, and Qasr Harana are particularly impressive. No visit to Jordan is complete without experiencing the Dead Sea. This unique body of water, the lowest point on Earth, offers the opportunity to float effortlessly due to its high salinity. Relax at one of the luxury resorts and enjoy the stunning sunset views. Last but not least, we have Jerash, one of the most well-preserved ancient cities in the world. This vast archaeological site boasts temples, plazas, theaters, and streets from the Roman era. Don't miss Hadrian's Arch and the stunning ruins. Jordan is a treasure trove of history, natural beauty, and warm hospitality. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, hiking through breathtaking landscapes, or relaxing by the Dead Sea, Jordan will leave you with unforgettable memories. Plan your trip to these 12 best places and experience the wonders of Jordan for yourself.